Hi friends, welcome back. Hope you all are doing good. Today I have come with condensed milk buns. These are super soft and delicious buns. Hope you all will love it. So let us see how to bake these buns. Take half teaspoon of instant yeast into a bowl. You can take up to 1 teaspoon of yeast and 2 tablespoons of sugar. If you take more yeast, your proofing will happen faster. I've taken 175 ml of lukewarm milk. If you're using active dry yeast, you can activate the yeast and then add the flour. Into this I've added 100 grams of flour. That is 1 cup minus 1 tablespoon. I'm using 200 milliliter standard measuring cup, and then I have added 200 grams of whole wheat flour. Into this 3/4 teaspoon of salt, and then let us mix it well. I am using the hand mixer to mix the dough, but I have done a very big mistake here. And now let us add 3 tablespoons of condensed milk. Hope you all would have understood, but I didn't realize my mistake and I was still continuing with my work. Then finally I was thinking what has gone wrong, and then I realized that I have used the whisk instead of the kneading hook. So now I have changed to my kneading hooks. Now let us knead the dough for 5 minutes at high speed using the kneading hook. If you don't want to use the kneading hooks, I have other videos where we knead using our hands. You can check it out. Now after 5 minutes, the dough has become well kneaded. See, it is extending very well. It has become elastic. It is extending without tearing. Now let us add in 2 tablespoons of butter and knead the butter into the dough well. The butter will make the dough soft and make the buns come out very soft. Let us knead till the butter is well incorporated into the dough. If you want to use 100% all-purpose flour, you can do that. Now the dough is well kneaded. We'll remove the hooks. Now the dough has become very pliable and soft and extensible. So we'll just make a ball out of this properly, bring it into a ball and allow it to rest till it becomes double in size. I can't tell the exact time. Since here we have used only half teaspoon of yeast, it will take a little more time, maybe 2 hours. If you use 1 teaspoon of yeast, it might happen in 1.5 hours. And also it depends on the weather conditions in your place. The humidity and temperature plays a role in the proofing time. Now let us cover it with a damp cloth or a cling film and allow it to rest. Now the dough has proofed well. To see if the dough has proofed enough, what you have to do is you have to poke your finger into the dough, and if it shows a tendency to rise up, then it needs more proofing. Here the dough has collapsed, so the proofing is enough. Now let us roll the dough into a log, and we'll cut it into 6 equal portions. We can also use a weighing scale to to make buns of equal weight and equal size. Now let us make balls of the dough. bring the dough together like this tightly and roll it and make into balls. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel and if you like my videos, please do consider subscribing. When you subscribe, please press the bell icon and select all option. Now let us roll out the dough into oval shapes, long oval shape. Like this. Now we'll brush this with a mixture of butter and condensed milk. Here I have taken 3 tablespoons of butter and 3 tablespoons of condensed milk. Mix it well and we'll brush it on top of the rolled out dough. Spread it uniformly. Now using a knife or a sharp knife or a pizza cutter, we'll draw lines like this, leaving the ends together. The lines should be drawn only in the middle, leaving the ends together. And now we'll roll it from one corner, not from one end, from one corner of an end. From one corner, we should roll it to the other corner. And make it into a ring. Now we'll transfer this onto a cookie sheet which is lined with butter paper. We'll repeat this with all the 6 balls. If you like my video, please click the like button and give your feedback and comment in the comment box. Thank you. Now all the buns are ready. Now let us cover it with a damp cloth and allow it to rest for 15 to 20 minutes. Now the dough is risen and let us brush the buns with the leftover condensed milk and butter mixture. It will give a nice glaze to the buns. Now these buns are to be baked at 200 degrees Celsius in a preheated oven for 15 to 20 minutes with both the upper and lower rods on and also the fan mode on. So let us keep it for baking. Now the buns are beautifully baked. So this is such an easy recipe and the buns are super delicious. So please do try the recipe and give your feedback. Let me know how it turns out. I would love to see your comments and suggestions in the comment box. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.